Hello everyone, I hope you all are happy and doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little different, simple but very close to my heart as a plant lover. Many times we notice small plants growing on their own in different pots. They just appear silently beside our main plants. We don't even know what they are. Maybe they are just weeds, or maybe they are something beautiful that nature planted itself. Most people simply pull them out and throw them away. And honestly, sometimes that is necessary to protect the main plant. But for me, it never feels right to throw away a living plant without giving it a chance. So what I usually do is gently remove these tiny plants very carefully, making sure their roots don't break too much. Then I place them in a separate tray or a small nursery pot. Why do I do this? First, so they don't compete with my main plant for nutrients, sunlight, and space. Second, so they can focus on building strong roots in their own space. And third, because I'm always curious. What if this little plant turns out to be something special? In this separate pot, they get proper soil and time to adjust. I water them lightly and keep them in a safe spot where they can recover from transplant shock. Slowly, they start standing stronger and looking healthier. When they grow bigger and I can clearly see what kind of plant they are, then I decide their future. If they are good plants, I shift them into a proper decorative pot. If they turn out to be weeds, at least I feel satisfied that I gave them a fair chance. At the end of this video, I also want to share something special with you. I received a plant cutting as a gift, and as you know, plant gifts are the most beautiful gifts for plant lovers. Before planting it, I trimmed the cutting properly from the bottom. Then I applied a little turmeric powder on the cut area. Turmeric works as a natural antiseptic and helps prevent fungal infection. It also helps the cutting stay safe while it starts developing roots. After that, I planted it carefully into a pot with suitable soil. Now, we will wait patiently and hope it develops strong, healthy roots soon. For me, plant care is not just a hobby. It's love, patience, and hope. Every small plant carries a new beginning. Even the tiniest seedling deserves care and respect. If you are also a plant lover like me, tell me in the comments. What do you do with surprise plants that grow in your pots? Do you remove them, or do you give them a chance? If you enjoyed watching this simple plant journey, please like this video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more peaceful plant content. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.